Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you my list of top 5 project management tools that are out there, so you can check them out. We can go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these products and compare the pricing plans. So let's kick it away with my most liked and most popular program of project management tools, which is Trello. Trello organizes your project and day-to-day tasks through creating note cards on dashboard. The software can also be used as a trip planner, a side project, a community bulletin, an event, or an idea repository. Tasks and ideas can be noted on the Trello cards, alongside the work progress can also be tracked. The user can sort and organize these cards based upon their categories. A quick overview is displayed on the front of the cards, flipping which the user can dive into more detailed information such as checklists, due dates, comments, attachments, etc. There is a progress meter that adds a checklist to organize your to-do list. You can also attach documents and multimedia files to the cards. It's meant to be for all kinds of businesses, small, medium, large, and also freelancers, providing online support. And also you can run it not only at your desktop, but also mobile and mobile iOS and Android as well. They are offering a free option and also free trial or freemium, then business class option, which is $10 per user a month if you are billed annually, and if you want to be billed monthly it's $12.50 or $17.50 for enterprise level per user a month, unlocking all the features that Trello can offer. The second one on my list is Asana. Asana is an online team collaboration and workflow management tool. You can organize your work in the best way possible to follow tasks through and be able to avoid obstacles to meet deadlines. Asana's boards let you visualize your work and arrange all your relevant emails and files into one place. You can use Asana's portfolios to monitor the status of all your projects and keep your strategic initiatives on track and easily report on progress. Custom fields allow you to keep track of info important to the team and share the information with the right people. Commonly used projects can be turned into templates to ensure your team workflow moves more smoothly and faster. Asana's web interface is efficient and responsive, and it can be integrated to other collaboration tools like Slack. Asana is SOC2 Type 1 certified and offers secure connections to its site using the TLS one-on-one protocol. It also hosts its data in various SCA audited data center via Amazon. It's not so well optimized for freelancers and providing excellent support along the way. You can install it on your Windows and Mac, also run it on Android or iOS. They are offering free trial, a freemium where you basically, for starting teams, you are not paying anything. Then premium one and business one. Also, if you are a bigger company or enterprise, they can tailor you the option for you if you are really big and you need a special approach, let's say it. My third on the list is Airtable. Airtable is a futuristic platform that can be used to generate collaborative apps. Over 200,000 teams connected to leading businesses houses across the globe trust in the particular to get their work done. Organizations can integrate the platform with their pre-existing tools like Dropbox, Eventbrite, Box, Basecamp, Facebook, GitHub, etc. and move information back and forth in an automated way. Another interesting feature of this platform is that users get access to 15 more pre-built apps that are ready to feed data and become accessible to their clients in the marketplace. Users can generate custom notifications, automate redundant tasks, and orchestrate work in a seamless manner. An inbuilt feature like Airtable Sync enables teams to share information across the department real time. When we check the pricing, we see that they're also providing a free option for unlimited basis, 1,200 records per base, 2 GB of attachments per base, and so on. Then Plus, Pro, and Enterprise, where you have to also contact the sales to give you your option or your paid methods. It's meant to be installed in Windows and Mac, also can be run at Android and iOS, and it's very well suited for freelancers as well. So next one is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is an intuitive project management software and collaboration tool that is useful for small and mid-sized organizations to track and manage various types of work. Besides project management, it assists organizations to manage event schedules, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, HR, and product development. It has a spreadsheet-like interface that offers a number of handy tools such as card view, Gantt charts, reporting and file sharing, work automations, etc. It is a top-rated business application that can be integrated with leading web apps like Dropbox, Zapier, as well as Google Apps and Salesforce. More than 80,000 businesses and millions of users across 175 countries rely on Smartsheet. Also, meant for all types of companies, also freelancers, you can install it or run it on your mobile phone. And pricing wise, they are really favorable. They are not that expensive. So basically every type or every kind of business can afford it. Starting with Pro, which is per 3 users, €6 per user a month, which is 18 if I'm not mistaken. You can basically check your currency, tell them about the users, and you can basically pick the plan that will suit you the most. I really like Smartsheet, but number 4 is really fitting for them. And Monday.com, which is the next one on our shelf, and I really like this one. This is one of the best CRMs on the market, and also one of the best project management tools on the market as well. So with Monday.com, managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integrations, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with a relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tools for their team using intuitive drag-and-drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then if your team grows, your workflows can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. It's meant to be, yet again, even for the freelancers, and I really love Monday.com. Among all of those, Monday would be probably the one that I will go with. I'm not saying it's the best, but it's the best for me. As you can see, they are providing up to 2 seats free forever option. Then basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. As you can see, it's like $1 more expensive than Smartsheet, but it's very well worth it. It's easy to read, and it's also intuitive, so you don't have to spend a lot of time training your employees. You are basically just hop in and you are good to go. So I strongly advise you try every single one of them through their free options and then find out which one is the best for you. Every single one of them is just great product. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. We'll try to answer them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.